So hi guys, today we are going to discuss the actual paper of business studies that happened today, and I hope everybody has attempted their paper quite well and also we can say absolutely well. So let's look at the question. So as you know that there is going to be 20 MCQs, then you are going to have 3 markers, 4 markers and 6 markers for the same. So first let's talk about the MCQ part. They say the first one, identify which of the following is not the function that is performed by the top level. So when we look at question number or option number 1, they do not cooperate the activities. What is their function? They coordinate the activities. Second is the question that is marked in the picture represents a financial incentive. Now let's look at the picture. It's talking about salary, it's talking about car allowance, it's talking about the medical aid. So when we say about this, these are certain benefits that is provided by the organization to their employee over and above the salary, and that is known as what? A perquisite. Next is the process by which a manager synchronizes the activity. So when we are talking about synchronization of activities, planning, organizing, staffing, directing and controlling, it is the process of coordination. Then they say match the non-financial incentive given in column 1 with their respective meaning in column number 2. Employee participation happens to be what? When you are involving them in the decision making. Organizational climate indicates the characteristics. Employee empowerment, autonomy and status means ranking of positions. The process by which estimating the funds requirement of the business and specifying the sources of fund is known as what? It is known as a financial planning, from where you are going to get the funds and where we are going to invest the same. So the process by which we are going to estimate the fund requirement for a business and specifying the source of their funds, that is known as your financial planning. Then they say it consists of numerous interrelated and dynamic conditions or forces which arise from different sources. So when we say that business environment happens to be of complex nature. Then they say workforce analysis enable an assessment of number and types of human resources necessary for the performance of various jobs and accomplishment of organizational objectives, and workload analysis reveals, so it has to be the other way around. So both of the statement happens to be false. NV Electronics has an innovative range of smartphones, TVs, home entertainment systems, kitchen appliances, air conditioners. Besides quality products, their focus is on handling the customers. That means they are providing after sales services. So the function of market that they are giving here, that happens to be customer support services. Identify the incorrect statement with respect to motion study. Now what is motion study? Which activity is productive? Which activity is unproductive? So when we say unnecessary, that is correct. Refers to the study of movements, absolutely correct. Now they say they determine the number of workers. This is done by time study, not by motion study. It is the primary market. The prices of securities are determined by. Now our focus is going to be what they are asking right now. They are asking about the primary market. In primary market, which is also called as a new issue market, the securities prices are decided by the management of the company. Next is Ramesh wanted to buy a home heater and it became extremely cold. He went to the nearby market in search of the good home heater. He first visited the big shop selling branded heaters, checked the quality, design, price, etc. Walked through the market, saw a roadside shop displaying the attractive room heater. He walked, inquired about the heaters, then how it is done, what is going to be the function. That means he is putting up the choices. He's asking a lot of questions before making the purchase. So the exercise that is, exercised by Ramesh is right to be assured. Next is capital market instruments are safer than money market. No, because the return and the principal payment is not there. The capital market deals in medium and long term securities. That is correct. So statement 1 is false, second is correct. Controlling should not be misunderstood as the last function of management. Absolutely correct. Why? Because it takes management cycle back to the first stage, which happens to be planning. So we say planning and controlling are interrelated functions of management. So the correct option is option D. Lima is a global sportswear brand known for shoes, apparel, sports, accessories, etc. Customers can recognize Lima shoes, t-shirts and bags just with the tiger symbol. So which makes it as what? A brand mark. And when we talk about that they have taken a registration over it, it becomes what? A trademark. A dividend in the growth companies is more than the non-growth companies. Companies having a good growth opportunities retain more money out of their earnings so as to finance their required investment. So the dividend in the growth companies more than non-growth companies? No. Why? Because when the company is thinking of growth, they pay a lesser amount of dividend to their shareholders as compared to the non-growth companies. But when we're talking about the companies having good growth opportunities retain more money for their retained earnings, that is correct. So our assertion is false, reason is correct. Alka Motors is one of the leading automobiles company in India. Due to the growing demand of electric vehicles, Alka Motors plan to expand its business and it wanted to raise funds. They are taking the help of equity as the market was bullish. So let's talk about the market being bullish and bearish. When the market is bullish, what do generally companies prefer to? They prefer equity. And when it is a depressing market, companies rather go for debt. Green Eats is a startup offering plant-based meal kit. It gains popularity as the young customers are becoming health conscious. Awareness about the environmental issues were increasing. So when we are talking about the social factors, we are talking about the social environment. Neha is working as a manager in the NutriBite. What are the things that she do? She takes the necessary personnel to achieve the goals, ensuring the department has a staffing function properly informed. So that means we are talking about that she is working at middle level. From the first word itself, when she is a managerial post, we are talking about that she is working at a middle level management. Taylor believed industrial efficiency depends on the large extent of personal competencies, has to be done through a right way. The employee selection has to be done in a correct order. Then each person should be scientifically tested. So when we see these keywords, the first principle that comes to our mind is what? Option D. Development of each and every person to his greatest efficiency or prosperity. Stock exchange is playing a vital role in ensuring a wider share ownership by regulating the new issue, better trading practices and taking effective steps in educating the public. So when we're talking about that the company or the stock exchange is providing a wider share of ownership, we are talking about the point of spreading the equity cut. Then comes the three markers. Three features of coordination can be, it's a deliberate function, ensures unity of action, integrates the employee effort. It happens to be a continuous process. So any of the three can be written with the relevant explanation of a line or a two. Then you should have explained the significance of the principles of management, optimum utilization of resources. Then there is this unity of command that is followed in one of the principles. Social responsibility factor is there. Then explain transfers and promotion as an internal sources. Transfer is what? That when you are doing a horizontal movement, that one person is transferred from one department to another, one shift to another, one position to another position in the different department. And when we talk about the promotion thing, it is what is it that we called it as to be a vertical movement, that is transferring one person one level up in the organization hierarchy. Then they say explain the placement and orientation appraisal as the steps in the staffing process of management. So when we say placement and orientation, what is placement and orientation? When we are talking about what? We are talking about when the person is hired in the company, what is going to be the rules and regulations he is going to follow? What is going to be the position that he is going to occupy? And what is performance appraisal? When you are appraised for the past performance in the company. Then they say explain the external sources of recruitment, which is discussed in the following cases. Veer Infrastructure Limited was handling a construction of government jobs. Then they say that it happens to be a sudden rush of work to meet the deadline. They placed a notice. So what are we talking about? We are talking about direct recruitment because we have identified a keyword here. Then they say Vista Bank planned to expand its retail banking operations in tier 2 and tier 3 cities. They needed to hire over 200 middle level managers with experience in sales, customer services, and operations. Vista Bank approached Avon Consultants, one of the India's leading management consults websites, advertise positions on job portals under their name. So when they are connecting with the consultant, we are talking about management consultants and placement agencies. Then they say Ria software engineer wanted to invest a part of her savings in the stock market. Encouraged by some online discussion, she came across a company, SmartTech Limited, whose pricing were rising very fast. She got convinced that she should buy the shares for the same. Within the days, her investment had lost more than 60% of the value. Ria started researching and discovered that the news about the government contract was false. Securities Exchange Board of India took immediate notice of the situation and called for trading information, which SEBI has done by what? By group of traders that spread false information, made clear fraudulent trading practices. So that means on one hand, we are talking about the regulatory function. On the other hand, we are talking about the protective function. In regulatory function, one of the things that you can say is registration of brokers and sub-brokers, and it is we are talking about protecting the investor from insider trading. Meera purchased a mixer grinder of a reputed brand from a well-known electronics store. Within 10 days, the mixer grinder stopped working. Meera visited the shop for repair or replacement, showing a cash memo. Then she also filed a complaint in the District Redressal Commission in case of dissatisfaction. The forum ordered the store to replace the product within 30 days, and then she was also provided with a compensation. What is the question asking you about? It is asking you about the responsibilities and reliefs. So when we talk about the responsibilities happens to be that she took a cash memo, and in case of dissatisfaction, she filed a complaint in the district forum. And when we talk about the reliefs, the product was replaced and she was compensated for the same. Then the state 4 limitations of internal resources, you might have written a lot that new blood is not there, people become lethargic, there is lack of competition that is there, and then 4 benefits of staffing to the organization. Fresh Foods Private Limited manufactures, distribute organic packed food products. Its operations are divided into production, marketing, finance, human resource, and research. So from this line only we get to know that we are talking about the functional structure, because the company is based on the functions performed in the organization. And when they are asking about the 3 advantages, first can be to occupational specialization, and when we're talking about it might lead to occupational specialization, we can also talk about that it also helps in improving what? Managerial and efficiency, and there is what? No repetition in the task. Aditya owned a skincare company named Net Ayur. In July 2025, decided to launch a new herbal face cream in the traditional market using turmeric, sandalwood, neem, aloe vera, saffron, etc. The total cost of producing came up to 60. So that means, can we say we are talking about the product cost? Then they say the customers are buying, so we can say it is utility and demand factor that is taken into consideration. And then there is a lot of competition in the market because the product was between 80 to 120. So we can also say that there is an extent of competition in the market as well. So to add the value, identify and explain the 2 factors taken into consideration for determining the price. Then explain the limitations of planning. It leads to rigidity. Managers or the people in the organization are not allowed to deviate from their actual plans. May not work in a dynamic environment because it is not constant, it keeps on changing. Develops initiative among subordinates and develops managerial talent for the future. It happens to be importance of decentralization. What is decentralization? Decentralization happens to be when you are giving authority to make the decisions to every every level of management. So once a person or an employee in the organization gets the decision making authority, so personally is going to develop an initiative, and also we are equipping the future managers. Then they say Priya Motors is a motorbike manufacturing company, launched the motorbike in the name of Motoglide. Design was there, attractive, stylish, target customers, gave a body sleek, sharp headlights. So that means here we are talking about what? That they bought a product designing and development. And when we talked about that they follow a quality standards, we are talking about what? Standardization and grading. So the two functions of management that is discussed in the case study. Then science on rule of thumb, that when we say science not rule of thumb, only and only when the manager is taking any kind of decisions, they should include science. It should not be based on the intuitions of the manager. In functional foremanship, factory area divided into two: planning in charge, production in charge. There you have four bosses. There you have your four bosses, and then you have your worker. Next is time study, the total time taken to perform the job. Then you have unity of command, that one subordinate should receive orders from only one boss. Aspirate the corps, I should be replaced with the word we. And stability of personnel, that there should be no frequent transfers or termination from the organization. Fresho is a trading company. Settled Ball Juices, made by other manufacturers, now plan to sell its juices across India. For this, decided to enter into juice manufacturing. Ambitious plan to export its juices to other countries to meet the anticipated higher demand in the future. The company is setting up a manufacturing unit. The Chief Executive Officer Ravinder ordered automatic bottling machines to increase the speed, hygiene and consistency. Since the investment was huge, instead of buying, they were looking about the lease. They also collaborated with the nearby packaging unit to use their packaging machines during a peak period. This helped Fresho to maintain seasonal surges in demand without investing in the additional equipment that would remain underutilized during the off season. So you are supposed to tell me the factors that is going to be affected by the fixed capital requirement. Now if we look at this question, the first keyword I'm going to identify is manufacturing. That is what? A nature of business. Then there is a larger competition there. Then means they are diversifying. So we are going to say growth prospects are also there. Then they are thinking about that they are going to not purchase, they are going to take it on lease, which is giving us the financing alternatives. And then we said they can be level of collaboration. Next is Greener Organic is a company producing eco-friendly fertilizers and soil boosters. With the growing interest in the organic market, the company is planning to expand its operations across India. It sets targets to increase the sales by 25% in the next quarter. It gives all the departments, sales, production, marketing, logistics, a common target to work. To achieve this, Greener made a comprehensive plan to enter Tier 2, Tier 3 cities by working with local farmer groups. They also plan to promote their brand through online campaigns focused on the eco-friendly farming. The company also laid broad parameters within the managers would function. All the raw materials certified organic and preferably used by local farmers, improve quality, support local people. The company allotted 50 lakhs for marketing, which included funds for regional newspapers, advertisements. By quantifying future facts and figures, the company planned to control cost and evaluate the performance. You are supposed to tell me the four types of plans. So when we say 25%, what is this 25%? It is nothing but the objective. Then they have made a comprehensive plan. Straight away, I am going to say we are talking about what? We are talking about strategy. The company laid down the broad parameters. Broad parameters is based on the policy. And when we are talking about the funds requirement, which happens to be in the numerical terms, we are talking about budget. Last question happens to be, you are supposed to tell me the 4 semantic barriers to communication. You can write any 4 semantic barriers, faulty language, then you have this thing coming up. Then they say the so importance of directing. I hope you have written that very well. So this is what that you're supposed to cover for today. I hope your paper went very well. Thank you for watching, guys.